Today we'll walk you through what a typical day at CU Sail Workshop looks like. We usually start with a fun icebreaker to get everyone warmed up at 11 a.m. in the morning. Today's activity was a paper airplane contest.
Oh, okay, I got that.
During the full team meeting, each sub-team gives progress updates. After, we had a special presentation from Rafi on how to put together a well-written end-of-the-semester report using Overleaf. Then we break out into our sub-teams to work on our respective projects. This includes freshman onboarding this semester. Here is our humble workspace in the ELL, along with our boat, the Codfather, that we are currently improving for this year's competition in June. Now let's hear directly from some of our members.
So I'm working on the next Instagram post. This is a little sneak peek. I'm gonna be introducing our boat to the Instagram. Meet the Godfather.
Right now we're working on the keel. We're creating a new design this year where our last year's design was very flat, but this year we're turning it into an airflow shape to make it more hydrodynamic, and hopefully it turns out really well.
Hi guys, my name is Ridwan Ahmed. I'm a sophomore on the NAV team on the electrical side. Basically what NAV has been working on in terms of electrical components is testing the transceiver. This is our form of communication. So we have our XP module over here, and basically what we had to do before is, with our previous one, the issue was the connection points were very weak. So going about fixing that, we had to resolder a couple of wires, and we're really excited because we did finally get a new XP module to kind of test that data communication. So working with that and also the antenna, which will help us, calibrate and make sure we have correct GPS coordinates.
So right now I'm working on a resident booklet to send out to our sponsors.
So this year is another and the main part of our day right now is actually running some ANSYS simulations. I think this is the part I enjoy the most about CU Sail, where you get to learn a lot about classes before you actually take those classes.
My favorite part about being on CU Sail is definitely the community. I've met a lot of cool people and I really enjoy working with everyone.
My favorite part of being on CU Sail is seeing the boat in the water. It's very satisfying to see all of our work come to fruition and to see the actual boat sailing around autonomously. It's very cool to look at, it's high tech and it's fun.
I think my favorite part about CU Sail is definitely the people. I think everybody here is super nice and always helpful, and every time I have a ton of work to do outside of CU Sail, they're always oh, how can I help? And we always make each other laugh, and I think laughter is a big part of the team.
That concludes today's workshop. If you're interested in joining our team, look out for recruitment information at the start of each semester. Or if you would like to donate, visit our website at cusail.engineering.cornell.edu.